Welcome to another episode of Massive Mining Operation. In today's video, we take you deep inside one of Interkat SA's large-scale mining projects, where raw power meets unmatched efficiency. On display is the mighty Caterpillar 385C Excavator, a true beast in its class, effortlessly loading Mercedes and manned dump trucks in just 3 quick passes. This is a perfect showcase of productivity, coordination, and the strength of modern mining machinery in action. The Caterpillar 385C Excavator is built for heavy-duty mining and construction tasks. With an operating weight of nearly 90 tons, it delivers incredible digging power and stability. It is powered by a Caterpillar C18 ACERT engine, producing over 520 horsepower to handle the toughest overburden and rock. Its massive bucket capacity of 4.6 cubic meters allows it to fill large dump trucks in record time, making the 3-pass loading cycle possible. On the haulage side, the Mercedes-Benz Arocs and MAN TGS dump trucks are designed for strength, durability, and efficiency in harsh mining conditions. Each truck is capable of carrying heavy payloads of blasted material while maintaining fuel efficiency and reliability. The combination of Caterpillar's excavator speed and the truck's hauling capacity ensures smooth operations with minimal downtime. Interkat SA's operation highlights how cutting-edge machinery and skilled operators work hand-in-hand to maximize output in a demanding environment. Every pass of the bucket and every truck loaded is a step toward moving thousands of tons of material with precision and speed. That wraps up this look at the Caterpillar 385C Excavator, powering through massive mining tasks by loading Mercedes and MAN dump trucks in just 3 quick passes. This kind of efficiency is what keeps mining operations like Interkat SA running at full throttle. If you enjoyed watching this display of heavy machinery at work, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible mining and construction action from around the world. Stay tuned. More massive machines are on their way.